Hi, welcome to the quiz. You can answer along on quizalto.com, all for free. The exact URL of this quiz will be in the notes down below. Let's get started, good luck. How does AWS DRS replicate data to the secondary region? Scheduled full backups. Continuous file-level synchronization. Periodic snapshots. Manual data transfer. AWS DRS uses continuous file-level synchronization to keep data on the source server consistent with the replicated copy in the secondary region. What is a recommended practice for optimizing costs with AWS Elastic Disaster Recovery? Implementing custom encryption algorithms. Automating resource lifecycle management. Deploying redundant data centers. Increasing data replication frequency. Optimizing costs with AWS Elastic Disaster Recovery involves automating resource lifecycle management to efficiently manage disaster recovery environments and reduce operational expenses. What is the purpose of using AWS Elastic Disaster Recovery? To optimize database performance. To reduce AWS service costs. To automate deployment of serverless applications. To minimize downtime and data loss during disasters. AWS Elastic Disaster Recovery is designed to minimize downtime and data loss during disasters, ensuring business continuity. What does AWS Backup allow you to backup? IAM roles and S3 buckets. API gateway endpoints and SQS queues. EC2 instances, EBS volumes, RDS databases, DynamoDB tables, and EFS file systems. CloudFront distributions and Lambda functions. AWS Backup supports backing up EC2 instances, EBS volumes, RDS databases, DynamoDB tables, and EFS file systems, ensuring comprehensive disaster recovery capabilities. What is a key feature of AWS Elastic Disaster Recovery for infrastructure resilience? Automated GPU resource allocation. Automated data encryption. Automated fault tolerance testing. Automated virtual machine decommissioning. AWS Elastic Disaster Recovery includes automated fault tolerance testing to enhance infrastructure resilience, ensuring continuous operation and mitigating potential disruptions. What is a benefit of AWS Elastic Disaster Recovery for maintaining regulatory compliance? Data retention and audit logging. Global content distribution. High-speed data processing. Increased virtual machine density. AWS Elastic Disaster Recovery supports maintaining regulatory compliance through features such as data retention and audit logging, ensuring adherence to legal requirements during disaster recovery. What is a limitation of AWS Elastic Disaster Recovery for on-premises environments? Limited availability of virtual private gateways. High cost of data transfer. Inability to scale resources. Dependence on internet connectivity for replication. AWS Elastic Disaster Recovery for on-premises environments may face limitations due to dependence on internet connectivity for data replication to AWS Cloud. What is the benefit of using AWS Elastic Disaster Recovery for cross-region replication? Lower data transfer costs. Faster data encryption. Increased data durability and availability. Reduced network latency. AWS Elastic Disaster Recovery supports cross-region replication, enhancing data durability and availability by maintaining copies of data across multiple geographic locations. What is a limitation of AWS Elastic Disaster Recovery for large-scale data migrations? Incompatibility with hybrid cloud environments. Limitations in data compression techniques. High cost of data replication. Potential impact on network bandwidth. AWS Elastic Disaster Recovery may face limitations in large-scale data migrations due to potential impacts on network bandwidth during data replication. What is a benefit of AWS Elastic Disaster Recovery for ensuring data integrity? Dynamic IP address allocation. Automated verification of backup consistency. High-speed data processing. Low-cost storage solutions. AWS Elastic Disaster Recovery ensures data integrity by automating verification of backup consistency, validating data integrity during backup and recovery processes. What is an advantage of using AWS Backup for disaster recovery? Real-time monitoring of application performance. Automated vulnerability scanning. Automatic load balancing across regions. Centralized management of backup policies. AWS Backup provides centralized management of backup policies, simplifying disaster recovery operations across AWS services. What type of infrastructure can AWS DRS replicate to the secondary region? On-premises physical servers. Serverless applications. Cloud-based databases. Virtual desktop infrastructure. AWS DRS can replicate data and applications running on on-premises physical servers, virtual machines, and cloud-based databases to the secondary region. What is a recommended best practice for ensuring data security with AWS Elastic Disaster Recovery? Utilizing static IP addresses for resources. Implementing encryption for data at rest and in transit. Decreasing data compression ratios. Disabling backup encryption. Ensuring data security with AWS Elastic Disaster Recovery involves implementing encryption for data at rest and in transit, safeguarding sensitive information during backup and recovery operations. What is a benefit of AWS Elastic Disaster Recovery for data replication? Low-cost disaster recovery options. High-speed data processing. Automated load balancing. Maintaining data consistency across multiple regions. AWS Elastic Disaster Recovery supports maintaining data consistency across multiple regions through efficient data replication strategies, ensuring data availability and integrity. What is an essential component of an AWS Elastic Disaster Recovery strategy? Multiple VPC peering connections. Cross-account access permissions. Defined recovery time objective and recovery point objective. Highly compressed data backups. An effective AWS Elastic Disaster Recovery strategy includes clearly defined recovery time objective and recovery point objective to ensure appropriate response to disaster scenarios. What is a benefit of AWS Elastic Disaster Recovery for managing operational risks? Limited cross-region data replication. Manual recovery operations. Reduced impact of service disruptions. Highly compressed data backups. AWS Elastic Disaster Recovery reduces the impact of service disruptions by providing automated disaster recovery solutions, mitigating operational risks and ensuring business continuity. Which of the following is a limitation of using AWS DRS for disaster recovery? Not supporting replication across multiple availability zones. Limited data transfer bandwidth options. Inability to recover individual files or folders. Inability to replicate Active Directory configurations. AWS DRS can replicate Active Directory configurations with additional configuration steps. However, it cannot recover individual files or folders at this time. Which of the following is not a benefit of using AWS Elastic Disaster Recovery? Simplified disaster recovery planning. Reduced downtime during outages. Lower costs for disaster recovery infrastructure. Increased data security. AWS DRS helps to minimize downtime during outages by replicating data and applications to a secondary region, enabling faster recovery. What is a limitation of AWS Elastic Disaster Recovery for cloud-native applications? Incompatibility with legacy storage systems. Limitations in container orchestration. High cost of data storage. Dependency on specific hypervisor versions. AWS Elastic Disaster Recovery may face limitations for cloud-native applications due to incompatibility with legacy storage systems or limitations in container orchestration capabilities. What is a limitation of AWS Elastic Disaster Recovery for application deployments? Dependency on static IP addresses. Limited support for real-time monitoring. Incompatibility with specific database engines. High latency in data replication. AWS Elastic Disaster Recovery may face limitations for application deployments due to high latency in data replication processes, impacting real-time application performance during disaster recovery. What is a key advantage of using AWS Elastic Disaster Recovery for backup storage? Secure and durable storage with flexible pricing. Real-time log analysis. Highly scalable application deployments. Low latency data transfers. AWS Elastic Disaster Recovery offers secure and durable backup storage with flexible pricing options, ensuring cost-effective disaster recovery solutions. What is a feature of AWS Elastic Disaster Recovery? Automated scaling of EC2 instances. Automated encryption of S3 buckets. Automated snapshots for data backups. Automated deployment of Docker containers. AWS Elastic Disaster Recovery provides automated snapshots for data backups, allowing easy restoration in case of data loss or corruption. What is a use case for AWS Elastic Disaster Recovery for database backups? Optimizing query performance. Implementing container orchestration. Hosting web applications. Ensuring data consistency and integrity. AWS Elastic Disaster Recovery is suitable for database backups to ensure data consistency and integrity, crucial for maintaining business continuity. What is the recovery point objective for AWS DRS dependent on? Frequency of data replication cycles. Type of data being replicated. AWS service level agreement. Size of the source server. The RPO for AWS DRS depends on the frequency of data replication cycles. Users can configure replication cycles to meet their specific RPO requirements. What is a key feature of AWS Elastic Disaster Recovery for data archival? Long-term retention of historical data. Single-click database deployment. Instantaneous data restoration. Automated data obfuscation. AWS Elastic Disaster Recovery facilitates long-term retention of historical data through effective data archival strategies, supporting compliance and business continuity. And that's a wrap. Thanks to everyone who participated. Remember, you can answer along on quizalto.com, where you can keep track of your progress and find much more quizzes. We hope you had a fun and challenging time. Until next time. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more. Hit the bell icon to be notified as soon as we upload. Please leave a comment if you have any thoughts or suggestions, and if you think this video is worth sharing with someone who could benefit from it, please forward a link to them. See you next time. Thanks for watching.